Today we will discuss about comparison of fractions and addition of fractions. Let us take first topic, comparison of fractions. What is the meaning of comparison? Comparison means to compare between two or more than two fractions, which one is larger, which one is smaller. Arranging the fractions in ascending and descending orders, these things. So, let us come first comparison of fraction. Suppose we have to check which one among 7 by 8 and half is larger. There are two fractions given, 7 by 8 and 1 by 2. To compare the fractions, first we will make them equivalent. That means to make their denominator first same. What are the denominators of the fractions? The denominators are 8 and 2. First we will make them same. How? First take the LCM of the denominators 8 and 2. 2 can divide to 4, 2 1 2. So we get LCM of 8 and 2 equal to 2 into 4, that is 8. So we get the LCM 8. Now 7 by 8 equal to and half equal to, we will make each of the denominator 8. Here is 8 already. So if we multiply it 1, we get again 8 and 7 multiplied by 1, 7 by 8. Now half is the another fraction. Let us make it the denominator 8. So we have to multiply it by 4. Here also 1 into 4. So 4 by 8. Now in 7 by 8 and 4 by 8, the denominators are same. Now check the denominator. Now check their numerator. Which one is larger? 7 is larger, as 7 is greater than 4. Therefore, we can say that 7 by 8 is larger fraction than half. So, 7 by 8 is greater than half. So, in this way we can compare between two fractions. Now, suppose we have already given two fractions, 3 by 11 and 7 by 11. Here it is obvious that their denominators are same. So just we have to see the numerator, and we can say which one is larger, which one is smaller. As the denominator is same, but 3 is less than 7. Therefore we can say that 3 by 11 is less than 7 by 11. Now if suppose their numerators are same, okay, here is 7 by 6 and here is 7 by 5, each of the numerators same, then we can compare by their denominator also. Here the larger denominator gives the fraction is smaller. The fractions with having larger denominator will be smaller. So here we can say that 7 by 6 is smaller than 7 by 5. So in this way we can compare between two fractions. Either they have same numerator, or they have same denominator, or they have different denominator or numerator. Now suppose we have to arrange some fractions in ascending order. Now what is the ascending order means? Ascending order means to arrange the numbers or fractions from smaller to larger. Suppose the fractions are 3 by 7, 5 by 14 and 11 by 21. These are the fractions. We have to arrange them smaller to larger. So check the numerator and denominator, nothing is equal. We will make each of the denominator same. So take the LCM of each of the denominators 7, 14 and 21. 7 can divide each, 7 1 is 7, 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. 2 and 3 are prime, therefore LCM of 7, 14 and 21 become 7 into 2 into 3. So you get 7 2 is 14, 3 is 42. Now 3 by 7 equal to, we will make the denominator 42. So what should we multiply with 7? 7 6 is 42. We will multiply also the numerator by 6. So 3 6 is 18. Similarly 5 by 14, here also we make the denominator 42. 14 is here, we have to multiply it by 3. Also 5 multiply by 3. 5 3 is 15. So we get 15 by 42. Now for 11 by 21, also we make the 21 denominator 42. So you have to multiply 21 by 2. Here also 11 multiply by 2. 11 2 is 22. Now these all fractions have same denominator. Now check their numerators. 18, 15, 22. 15 is smaller, then 18 will come, then 22. That means in ascending order, the fractions will be first. This one means 5 by 14, which is smaller than 18 by 42, that is 3 by 7, and which is again smaller than 22 by 42, that is 11 by 21. So this is the ascending order of the fractions. Now come to the descending order of fractions. Suppose we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Number 4, arrange in descending order. Suppose the fractions are, I am taking 1 whole 5 by 12, 2 whole 11 by 16, 3 whole 11 by 24. Okay. Let us first write for 1 whole 5 by 12, and then below 2 whole 11 by 16 and 3 whole 11 by 24. First make each of the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Here 12 1 is 12 plus 5 17 by 12. This one 16 2 is 32 plus 11, 32 plus 11 43 by 16. Another fraction is 24 into 3, that is 72 plus 11 83 by 24. Now we will make each of the denominators same. For this let us find the LCM of the denominators 12, 16 and 24. We can divide each of the number by 2, 2 6, 2 8 is 16, 2 12 is 24. Again 2 can divide each, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8 and 2 6 is 12. Again 2 can divide 2 and 4 and 6, so 2 3 remains 3, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 3 6. Again 3 can divide 3 1, 2 remains 2, 3 1. So LCM of 12, 16 and 24 becomes product of all the numbers. These are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. So 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24 to the 48. So we get each of the denominator we have to make same with 48. This is the LCM. Now we will make each of the denominator same with 48. Here is 12. So what should be multiplied? 12 into 4, also the numerator by 4. 17 4 ja 68. Here is 16. We have to make it 48. So we will multiply this by 3. Also 43 by 3. So 43 3 ja 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 129. Here is 83 by 24. 24 should be multiplied by 2 to make it 48. Also 83 multiplied by 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16. So now we get each of the fractions having same denominator. Now compare. We have to arrange the numbers in descending order, that means larger to smaller. So we can write in descending order. In descending order, first we will take the larger one. What is the largest most? This one. That means 3 whole 11 by 24, which is larger than this one. Next number is this one, 129 by 48, that is 2 whole 11 by 16. And last one is 68 by 48, that is 1 whole 5 by 12. So this is the proper descending order. So this was the topic about comparison of fractions. Now we are coming to the next topic, which is addition of fraction. Additions. Suppose in addition case we have to add two numbers, two fractions, for 5 by 14 plus 13 by 14. These are two fractions. First we will check that is their denominator same or different. Yes, they have the denominator same. So we can directly add them. How? The denominators will be the single denominator for the sum, and 5 will come also plus, and 30 will come. Just we will write the denominator in a single 14 and add the numerators 5 plus 13. Now 5 plus 13 is 18 by 14. This complete the addition. Now we can make it simplify. 18 and 14, each of these is divisible by 2. 2 9 ja 18, 2 7 by 7 ja 14. So we get 9 by 7. Now 9 by 7 can be convert to mixed fraction. We will convert it. 7 1 ja 7, 2 is the remainder. So we get 1 whole 2 by 7, our answer. So in case of same denominator, we just add the numerators, and denominator will be a single number, a single denominator, and then proceed add, and if it can be simplified, simplify. If it can be changed to mixed fractions, so change it. Let me take another example of same type. Suppose we have to add 3 whole 3 by 7 plus 2 whole 2 by 7 plus 1 whole 1 by 7. So first we will convert each of the mixed fraction to improper. Here 3 7 ja 21 plus 3, 24 by 7 plus 2 7 ja 14 plus 2, 16 by 7 plus 7 1 ja 7 plus 1, 8 by 7. They have same denominator, so we will take the denominator just 7. Now take all the numerators with addition sign. 24 plus 16 plus 8. Now add, let us add. Here if we add this 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8, 18, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 48 by 7. Simplification or making it least term not possible, not divisible by 7. So just divide and change into mixed fraction. 7 6 ja 42, 6 is the remainder. So we get 6 whole, 6 by 7 our answer. So in this way we can add the fractions having same denominator. But if the fractions come with different denominators, then what can we do? Suppose the fractions are 5 by 12 plus 3 by 4 plus 9 by 16. Now check the denominator. 12, 4, 16. Denominators are not same. In that case, we will take the LCM of the denominators. Let us find the LCM of the denominators. 2 can divide each. 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16. Now again 2 can divide each of these. 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. 3 and 4 they are prime to each other. So LCM of 12, 4 and 16 become product of all the numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48. Now take the LCM as the denominator of the sum. Now we will divide the denominator, the LCM by each of the denominator and multiply with the numerator. So first 5 multiply 48 divided by 12, it gives 12 4 ja 48, 4, this one. Then give the plus sign, again divide 48 by 4 and multiply with 3. So 3 multiply 48 divided by 4, that is 12, 4 12 ja 48, again give plus. Now here 16 divided by 48 divided by 16 multiply 9. So 9 into 48 divided by 16, that is 3. 9 into 3. Now first multiply and then add. 5 4 ja 20 plus 3 12 ja 36 plus 9 3 ja 27 by denominator 48. Now add all the numbers. 6 plus 7 13, 3 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3, 3 3 6 plus 3 6 plus 2 8, 83 by 48. Now we can change this fraction to mixed fraction, change it. We get 48 1 ja 48, 48 2 ja 96. So we will take one 48, 8 5 13, borrowed 1 from here, so it gives 35. So we get 1 whole 35 by 48. This becomes the answer. So in case of the fractions addition having different denominators, we have to take the LCM of the denominators and then divide the LCM by each of the denominator and multiply with the corresponding numerator, and the results we have to first multiply and then add. So in this way we can proceed. Now coming to another example, suppose we have to add 1 whole 1 by 20 plus 1 whole 3 by 10 plus 2 whole 14 by 15. So here all the fractions are mixed fractions. We will convert each of the mixed fraction first. Improper. 21 is 20 plus 1, 21 by 20 plus 10 1 is 10 plus 3, 13 by 10 plus 2 15 is 30 plus 14, that is 44 by 15. Now here also denominators are different. We will take the LCM of the denominators. 5 can divide each. 4 is 20, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. Now 2 can divide 2 and 4. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 3. 2 and 3 are prime to each other. Now LCM of 20, 10 and 15 become product of all the numbers. 5 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we get 5 2 is 10, 2 is 20 into 3, 60. 60. So here the denominator will be 60. Now divide the LCM this denominator by the denominator of the first one. 60 divided by 20, that is 3. So 21 multiply 3 plus here 13 multiply 60 divided by 10. 60 divided by 10, 6 plus 44 multiply 60 divided by 15. 15 4 ja 60. So 4. Now first multiply and then add. Write the denominator as it is 60. 21 3 ja 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 63 plus 13 6 ja 78 plus 44 into 4, 4 4 ja 16, 6 1 carry, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17, 176. Now add all the numbers. Here 6 plus 8 14 plus 3 17, 7 1 carry, 7 7 14 plus 6 20 plus carried 1 21, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 317 by 60. Now simplification or making it to lowest term is not possible, it is already in lowest term. So here we will change just the fraction into improper, mixed. Sorry everyone. So change into mixed fraction. 317. 6 5 is 30, 300 we get by 5. 300. Subtracting we get 17 as remainder. So the mixed fraction become 5 whole 17 by 60. This become the answer. So in this way we can add between any two fractions or among the more than two fractions. So this was the total topics for today. We will discuss another topic in another class. Thank you and goodbye.